Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink. So this backlink should be a very related for the film industry. So if you are in the same, so this is a relevant backlink for you. And so now we can start. Before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 35 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 24 and the spam score is 0%. So and according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing a 14.8 million monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from Turkey, Germany, Azerbaijan, this is a very hard word, and the United States, Netherlands, so and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. First thing, this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So you can change this website language into English. So this is a Turkish website, and there is an option to you can click on the become a member, and there you can add your company details. So you can add your company name, DML training, and you can add your email address, and you can choose your password. Then you can add your company name. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you can verify your captcha, and after that you can click on the register button. So our account is successfully created. So simply you can click on the login button, and there you can add your all details. But how I can do these things, because password is different, and this is the username, and this site will send you a verification email, so you guys will verify your profile. So let me check in spam folder. So I haven't received any email yet. So after that we can click to login. Let me check. Yeah, so our profile is created. So simply you can click on the profile film dot profile section, and if you guys are created your account on Gravatar, and if you guys will updated your profile picture on Gravatar, so this will be automatically fetch your profile picture, and after that you can convert this site language. So you can click on the edit profile button, and there you can add your main targeted keyword. So suppose that this is a title for my website, so let me add this title over there, and you guys will convert language into English, and there you can add your company description. So let me, I have already created, so let me open my doc folder. So this is the my company description, and I can paste it over there. And let me try one thing. So suppose that if you wanting to insert hyperlink in your targeted keyword, so I'm not pretty sure this trick it should be going to work. So let me explore these things in front of you. So you can, in the keyword section you can add your keyword, and in your URL section there you can add your website URL, and everything is completed. So after that you can verify your captcha, and you can click on the update profile button, and you can once again you can click on this, and you will see from there this is your profile landing page URL, and we can check in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is a instant approved backlink, but this is not a hyperlink. So we'll remove this, and you will simply create your profile backlink, and there is also another feature. So you can click on this, and you can convert into English, and where is my description? So let me add again. And there you can add your social media username. So for the Facebook, so this is my username for Facebook, DML training. And you can add your Instagram username. So I'm using my personal ID. And this is for the Twitter, I guess, but I'm not using Twitter right now. So Facebook username, Twitter username is different. And again, we can verify captcha. We can click on the update profile button. And let me check in incognito. So this is instant approved or not. So while you guys are creating your backlink, you guys will this might take a couple of time. So when you guys are creating in the first time your backlink on this site, so you can fill your all details. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.